Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a short overview of the three services that I built on my website freemediatools.com. These three services are related to Alexa Rank. So Alexa Rank is the ranking system that every website is allotted to. So if I search on Google Alexa Rank, you will be redirected to its official website, which is alexa.com. So here you will be entering the domain name and you will be seeing the Alexa rank of a website. So similarly on my website freemediatools.com, these three services are related to that. So first web service is Alexa website rank. So if you select this service, you will be redirected to this link. All the links are there inside the video description, so you can just check out this web service. So here you need to enter the domain name. So let's suppose I enter facebook.com. As I enter this domain name, the user interface is pretty simple. You just need to enter the website URL and click on get Alexa rank. And if you click this, it will take some time, and after that it will return out the Alexa rank of this domain name, which is 6 here in the world. So it's a very popular website, Facebook, and some other related information, relevant information will also be returned to you. So top keywords: Facebook, YouTube, Facebook login, FB, and Amazon. And similar websites is Instagram.com, Twitter.com, LinkedIn.com, YouTube.com, and Wikipedia. So let's suppose I take another example, which is Instagram. And one thing, you did not have to write HTTP here. You just need to enter the domain name Instagram.com, and you will see it is saying to us that domain name is not valid. So, oh, sorry, we need to enter Instagram.com. So if I click get Alexa rank, so you will see the Alexa rank is 25, and the top keywords: Instagram, Instagram login, YouTube, all this stuff. And let me take my website example, which is codingsiksha.com, and let me just check the Alexa rank of this website. So it is, you can see, 3,14,924, and these are my top keywords of my website. You can try out your domain name. So it's a very popular service that I developed. So you can just check out the Alexa rank of any website in the world using this web service. So the link is there inside the video description. And the second web service that I developed is top 50 websites in the world by Alexa. So if you go to it, as you open the service, it will show you the top 50 websites that Alexa uses inside its index. So the top 50 popular websites in the world right now. So it will get updated every time a new website enters inside a top 50 rank. You will see the number one website is Google, then YouTube, Tmall, Facebook, Baidu, QQ, Sahu. So these are the top 50 popular websites, Amazon, Yahoo. So anytime that you want to know the top 50 websites of Alexa, you can refer to this service. You can see AliExpress. Most of the websites are from China or United States. Amazon is again a United States. Adobe, Live Jasmine, Twitter. Stack Overflow is a programmer's website. If you open this, it's a programmer question answer website. So it's a very popular website. If you check the domain age, its domain age is 16 years, 308 days. So it's a very popular website. Yandex is another search engine, like Google. So it's a Russian search engine. So you can see it's a Russian search engine. And Apple, Bing is another search engine. You can see that Bing.com. So it's a search engine of Microsoft. So you can see that. So the third web service that I developed is Alexa top 50 websites by country wise. So you can even select country here. So there are various countries out there. So the default country is India. So if you just select get websites, it will show you the top 50 websites which are popular inside India. So if you just click this, it will show you the list here. Now this is not global, this is country wise. So you will see India related websites will be there. Flipkart is number 6. It's a shopping website of India. Then comes Yahoo. Hotstar is again a live streaming website where you can stream any sort of program. Zoom, Amazon. Online SBI is a SBI bank here. You can see this is SBI. State Bank of India. So it's a very popular website among Indians. India Times is a blog here. You can see blogging website. Microsoft. HDFC Bank is another Indian bank. Instagram, Stack Overflow, whatsapp.com, Prime Video, Netflix. So you can see these are the top 50 websites. So you can see, you can switch off countries here. Let's suppose I want to see Pakistan as a country here, and if I click get websites, I need to see the top popular websites in Pakistan. So it will take some time, and then it will show you the top. This is a Pakistani website, hamariweb.com. So in this way you can just urdupoint.com, so you can get regional specific websites of specific countries using this website. You can see this is a Urdu language here, so it's a Pakistani website. So you can see the it's a very good service that I developed using. You can see that I developed using Node.js and Express. You can see this is a regional websites of Pakistan. So you can PK stands for Pakistan here. You can see. So let me take one other example of United States. So if I check here, United States, if I click get websites, so it will show you the top websites which are trending in United States only, not globally. You will see Google, YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, Yahoo, Reddit, My Shopify, Wikipedia, so Office, Netflix, Bing, Live. You can see that. So these are all the English languages, English speaking countries. Hulu is a specific. Fox News is again an American network here. Fox News is a very popular news based website in United States. So you can check out these regional specific websites. So you can see that it is a United States website. And now guys, I will tell you how I made this three services. All the source code regarding this services will also be given in the video description. You can go to my blog, step by step blog, where I have written the complete source code is given. So you can just go to my blog post. Let me just show you the full source code. So this is my blog post. You can go to the video description and download all the source code. You simply need to click on the copy button to copy all the source code, and you will be able to make these three web services. So the module that I use to make these three web services are Alexa, Rank, Node.js. So basically this is the name of the module that I used in order to make these three services. It has got only 7 weekly downloads, so it's a new library of Node.js. So basically this uses the Alexa API and it returns you the results. All the documentation is given to you. So this top site returns the global website ranking information. So it returns the top 50 websites inside the world. So it returns the JSON response. You will see it has 50 countries or 50 websites, rank and site. And similarly you can also filter out by the country as well. So you will provide a country code. Let's suppose ID stands for Indonesia, and then it returns the similar response, which is rank and website. So I just use these three methods to get the first is the site info, which returns the Alexa rank of the website and all sort of other information as well, which is top keywords and similar sites. So I basically use this module. This is very easy. I explained it inside my blog post. Step by step instruction is given. So I will highly recommend that you go to the video description and download all the source code. Step by step instruction is given, and you can make these three websites, three services on your own. So also share this services with your friends by using this social network. You can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, LinkedIn, Reddit, Pinterest, and Telegram. So if you like this video, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.